Don't wait for your air conditioner to break down, your refrigeration equipment to stop cooling, or restaurant equipment to become overburdened with grease and turn into a fire hazard. This leads to equipment downtime and loss of productivity, higher repair costs, and insect infestation. Get a service contract from us at ARK Maintenance and let us service your equipment quarterly, day or night, which will significantly reduce equipment breakdowns, reduce equipment maintenance costs, detect and resolve upcoming issues, keep equipment working efficiently and consistently without service interruption. We also offer kitchen exhaust systems, fabrication, repair, and installation, and air duct fabrication, repair, and installation. Our services are also available island-wide. Like and follow our page, and visit arkmaintenance.com to make an appointment for a free assessment to be done, or give us a call at 876-514-4020 today.